Hi, I'm Will Larson with PAL International. I run the mineral department here, and today we have a wonderful tourmaline from Brazil. Most tourmalines don't come in groups. You see a lot of single crystals, so the fact that this is 3 altogether and it's doubly terminated, there is 1 repair, but not a ton of repairs, is quite unique. I mean, that part, and then just the shape. It's kind of a Y, with the one in the middle. So just the shape is very unique. That's why I wanted you to try it, because that specimen is super hard to photograph. Yeah, that's looking good.
That?
Now it's starting to look great. Very nice. It looks great. Yeah.
And then
Really captured the colors well.
yeah, and then you also have the 4 images.
Looks pretty great. Yeah, I'm pretty excited about it.